Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. S.V. Anandi from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at Ramco Institute of Technology. Welcome to today's lecture on waste management. In this session, we will discuss the concept, scope, and maintenance of waste management systems. We will also explore organic waste recycling, garden waste management, solid waste management, the microbiology of waste, the impact of chemical residues, and various waste utilization techniques. Understanding the waste management is essential for building sustainable cities and promoting environmental conservation. First one is the learning objectives. By the end of this lecture, we will be able to define waste management and explain its significance, describe the scope and maintenance of waste management systems, discuss recycling methods for organic and garden waste, explain the principles of solid waste management, understand the role of microorganisms in waste decomposition, identify the effects of insecticide, pesticide, and fungicide residues, explain different waste utilization techniques. Next, you'll see the introduction to waste management. Waste management refers to the systematic collection, segregation, transportation, treatment, recycling, and disposal of waste materials. The primary objectives of waste management are to protect public health, reduce environmental pollution, conserve resources, and promote sustainable development. Effective waste management contributes to cleaner communities and a healthier environment. Next one is need for waste management. The need for waste management has increased due to rapid urbanization, industrialization, and population growth. Improper disposal of waste can lead to environmental pollution, disease outbreaks, and depletion of natural resources. Effective waste management helps reduce pollution, conserve resources, mitigate climate change, and improve the quality of life. Next, the type of waste. Waste can be classified based on its source and composition. Based on the source, waste include municipal, agriculture, industrial, biomedical, and electronic waste. Based on the composition, waste can be classified as biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and hazardous. Understanding these categories helps in selecting appropriate treatment and disposal methods. Next is scope of waste management. The scope of waste management covers all stages of waste handling. These include waste generation, segregation, collection, storage, transportation, treatment, recycling, resource recovery, and final disposal. It also includes policy development, regularity compliance, public participation, and environmental monitoring. Next, waste management hierarchy. The waste management hierarchy provides a preferred order for handling the waste. The first priority is to reduce waste generation. The second is to reuse materials whenever possible. The third is recycling. The fourth is energy recovery from waste. The final option is disposal through landfilling. Next one is the maintenance of waste management systems. Maintaining a effective waste management system requires continuous monitoring and regular maintenance activities. These include scheduled waste collection, segregation at source, maintenance of collection vehicles and equipment, inspection of treatment facilities, and public awareness campaigns. Proper maintenance ensures efficient operation and reduce environmental risk. Next one is organic waste. Organic waste consists of biodegradable materials derived from plants and animals. Examples include food scraps, vegetable peels, crop residues, and animal manure. Organic waste is rich in nutrients and can be converted into valuable products such as compost and biogas. Next one is recycling of organic waste. Organic waste can be recycled through several methods. Composting converts organic waste into nutrition-rich manure. Vermicomposting uses earthworms to accelerate decomposition. Next, anaerobic digestion produces biogas and organic fertilizer. These recycling methods reduce landfall waste and improve soil. Next one is examples of garden waste. In this example, there are grass clippings, fallen leaves, pruned branches, weeds or comes under the examples of garden waste. And the next one is recycling options. Recycling options, waste reduces landfall burden and returns nutrients to the soil. Next one is solid waste management. Solid waste management refers to the systematic control of generation, storage, collection, transportation, processing, recycling and disposal of solid waste. Its objective is to minimize adverse effect on human health and an environment while maximizing resource recovery. Next one is solid waste management process. Solid waste management process includes several interconnected stages. These are waste generation, on-site storage, collection, transfer, transportation, processing, resource recovery and final disposal. The integrated approach ensures efficient waste handling and environmental protection. Next one is microbiology of waste. Microorganisms plays an important role in waste decomposition. The major groups involved are bacteria and fungal. These microorganisms break down complex organic compounds into simpler substances, enabling nutrient recycling and composite formation. Next one is stages of microbial decomposition. Microbial decomposition occurs in 4 distinct phases. These are the 4 distinct phases like mesobolic phase, thermobolic phase, cooling phase and maturation phase. Next one is the end products. The end products may be comes under the 4 category: composite, carbon dioxide, water and humus. The final products may include composite water, carbon dioxide and stable organic matter known as humus. Chemical residues. Agriculture waste may contain residues of insecticide, pesticide and fungicide. These chemicals enter the environment through excessive application, improper handling and inadequate disposal practices. Common examples include carbamate and copper-based fungicide. Environmental impacts. Chemical residues can contaminate soil, water and air. They may harm beneficial microorganisms, accumulate in food chains and affect biodiversity. Exposure to these chemicals can also cause adverse health effects in human, including toxicity, neurological disorders and hormonal imbalances. Next one is management of residues. Effective management of chemical residues involves adopting sustainable agricultural practice. Integrated pest management or IPM minimize the use of chemical pesticides. Next one is waste utilization techniques. Waste can be converted into valuable resources through various utilization techniques. Examples include composite production, biogas generation, biochar production, energy recovery, and the use of organic waste as animal feed. Waste utilization supports resource conservation and reduces environmental pollution. Next one is benefits of waste utilization. Waste utilization provides multiple benefits. Economically, it reduces disposal cost and creates new income opportunities. Environmentally, it conserves resources and reduces pollution. Socially, it creates employment opportunities and improves public health. Summary. Let us summarize the key points discussed today. Waste management is essential for environmental sustainability and public health. Organic and garden waste can be effectively recycled. Microorganisms plays an important role in decomposition. Chemical residues require careful monitoring and management. Waste utilization promotes resource recovery and supports in circular economy. Thank you for attention. I hope this lecture was provided you with a clear understanding of waste management concepts, practices and applications. Effective waste management is a shared responsibility and an important step toward a sustainable future. Thank you.